boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. This is best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for the likes. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. If you're not a subscriber, that red button right there, hit that red button and go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell where you get all your updates and you'll be in on everything, my friends. We're looking forward to a big, huge run here in the marijuana stocks, my friends. First time joining us. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. They can be found in any library, anywhere in the world, my friends. Just go to your bookstore and any of you've seen them all, my friends. I don't need to tell you again and again. But you do know I cannot advertise. Mickey D cannot go and advertise on CBS and ABC and everywhere else. As you know, Canopy, I think a couple years ago, they tried to do something with the Super Bowl or so, one of the companies, and they were denied. So I put it in book form for you. There's several books out there right now. The latest in how to start a marijuana investment club is out there. It's pretty hot right now. You know, I list stocks and make money online with cannabis stocks. There's a little talk now. They're catching up with us in Africa, my friends. You should get the African marijuana gold mine, Richmond, Soil meets Wall Street. A lot of talk about Africa, what's going on. People don't. There's a lot of arrogance out there. People don't know that they've been doing this for hundreds of years, been using it as medicine and everything else, and they think that it's just a lot of arrogant people out there promising medical marijuana and CBD treatments. Not on my show, of course. I've got the cream of the crop as subscribers. I'm talking about people in the medical field all over the world, my friend. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis is out there. Just people that just don't know. Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. A mini book that has 10 gold stocks listed in the back. Gold is reviving, my friends. And my friend's book, Josh Bronson here. I'll plug his book again. Make Money on Sports, Bet to Win. Nice little sports book he's got out there. And it's really nice. Investing at any age. Start early or catch a mega trend is out there, my friends. That book right there. Several books. Your education is number one. Numero uno. Your education is number one, my friends. Without, you being as knowledgeable as you are, and I know because you guys give me the questions, and I try and answer the questions for you. I try and get back with you as soon as I can. Sometimes I don't have time enough. You guys know I'm a pawpaw, and I do babysitting, and I do those things, but it's always good to get together with you and talk stocks, those investments and stuff. Put that stuff out there. We really had a hot week, my friends. A lot of our positions and stuff did pretty well, especially Thursday, Friday. Did Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It was a good week for cannabis stocks. But my friends, are we out of the wood? Because if you look at my last video, I did give you those dates. Those 5 to 10 trading days from September 5th. Now, you can do your homework. I asked people to take a look at it, and that is a good barometer, and I do believe that we'll have some bumps here in the road, but we're going to be on the right track here, and we're going to do very, very well. I encourage everyone to use stops as you get way up, especially on these options, which move really quick. It's less money, less risk. You have defined risk, but you can make a whole lot of money. They can go up. And I like it when they go up stair step, a little bit up, a little bit, like that. That's really good. That little stair step up like that. Really good. Now when they blast off, I don't really care for that, because then when they blast off, they gotta come crashing down. So I look for Aurora, Canopy, and Afria, those options that we were talking about, and they looked really cheap. They look cheap now. Take a look at those. They're up. We were talking about Aurora this week, and happy Saturday to all of you. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you, my friends. We're talking about Aurora we've got out until January. Remember, because the Aurora earnings are coming in this Wednesday, so they can rock the market. There's some things that can happen with Aurora earnings. They can lift the market up, or they can take the market down real low. We'll see how those earnings from Aurora go on Wednesday. But if Friday was any indication of how those are going to go, then they may go. We may be sitting really pretty, my friends. Especially early on, I believe it was Wednesday when I came out with that tape. Maybe Tuesday when I said the options call. The calls looked really cheap. They look pretty cheap. Take a look at them. Well, if you took a look at them and you decided to maybe go in that direction, like I did, and that's only my own personal opinion, we're gonna do fairly well. I think we're gonna do fairly well. We're up already, and I didn't sell. We're up 25%, 20% or so. I didn't sell 25%, whatever it is. It's small right now. Not small. When did 20% get to? Only in the stock market could 20% be small. That's not small. That's a good gain, But Aurora, we were looking at a strike price of $6, and we're out to January. So it closed like $6.12 on Friday. So yesterday. So things and Canopy had a nice day up there. $1.26 up. 27.66 it closed. When you're dealing with the 30s, you're dealing with the 35s. Canopy, you're gonna make money. I believe. Alfrea closed over $7, and we were looking at what the 750s is what I put out there, and what I own personally, the 750s for January. So we believe at only 50 cents or 40 cents away or so. I don't know the exact number that they closed at, but it's just closing in on that. Along with those other 5 stocks, under 5, the best 5 stocks that were under 5 that, on markets and everything, those stocks, take another look at those, my friends, and I think you will have something that, come holiday. See, I always put everything on the holiday season, because when I was in real estate, right, you always wanted to close a deal around Christmas. You always wanted to close an escrow or 2 or 3 or 4 or however many you can close in December. You wanted to make somebody really happy, and you just wanted to have a little bit of extra change, a little bit of extra money, because if you have some spending change Christmas, and you can kick down the kids a little bit and kick down everybody's happy. So that's why I said holiday. And it's the same thing, we want to get in position to maybe cash out in November, December, and have some money to do some things that we want to do around the holiday season. It's that easy. And a lot of people are that way. A lot of traders are that way. They want to make some things happen. So November, December, shopping, spending time with family, big meals, going out, and and we prepare for that now. During the heat of the summer, we're preparing. We're getting positions ready to hopefully they explode here in the next 2 months or so, 3 months or so. So around that Christmas time or before Christmas, those December calls, you really want to give them maybe 40, 30, at least 30 days. You want to sell at least 30 days before they expire. But at least, we'll give them that time, and they'll be all right. So you got who's to say you can't, the last year this time, my friends, they weren't as liquid as they are now. These calls and these puts right now are very, very liquid. So it's a lot better than it was last year. And of course, the year before, there was no liquidity in as far as options are concerned. So we're better this year. Next year, it'll even be better. There'll be open interest in a lot of different positions, my friends. But with that said, I want to thank you for joining me. We got a big week coming up. I'll be reporting to you probably on Tuesday, Wednesday, definitely with the earnings of Wednesday or Thursday with the earnings of Aurora, which will be big, and we got a lot to look forward to. And if the market keeps doing what it does, and the geopolitical concerns, we have no concern about that. Let's just get our run in and do what we have to do for the next 60, 90 days or so, and we'll be some happy campers, my friends. Be some happy campers. Hang in there. Just let's go the course. Let's just hang in what we're doing. You're doing fine. You see your account going up. You're doing great, my friends. You're doing great. Did want to give a shout out to those people in the Bahamas, those people in Nassau that suffered loss during this past hurricane here this past week. My friends, that area is a beautiful area of the world, and I saw pictures of it on television, and I had a heavy heart, my friends, when I saw some of the destruction down in that area. I can remember spending anniversary at Paradise Island down there. I mean, the wifey, it was a good time. It was the place is really really nice, and it's gonna be billions of dollars, my friends, in recovery. So I'm asking all my subscribers if there's any way you can help. Prayers, thoughts. If you can make a call down there, if you see someone on an email that needs some something or another, especially this holiday season, as that comes up, you see what condition that one of the favorite one of America's favorite vacation spots is like destroyed. So you have the Bahamas on the eastern part of the United States. You have a lot of people go to Hawaii on the western part of the United States, and it just leaves one the other there. And really, really nice area, and just my heart goes out to those people. But with that said, you have a great weekend. Enjoy you and your family these last weeks for some of us of summer, last month or so of the heat. Month and a half, maybe 2 months, depending on where you live in this world. You enjoy it. You and your family have a great time. Let's listen to the next video. It's coming up right now. I'll leave some links for you also of the books, my friends. God bless you. Thank you for supporting the books. Thank you for supporting the t-shirts, my friends. T-shirts, YouTube t-shirts. Thank you very, very much. They do well at conventions. If you're going to be going to the beach, anywhere you're going to be going, take you one of these shirts take you a book with you, my friends. Go to the library, and I've had a lot of people have told me, hey, I went to the library, man, and I ordered your book. So that's cool. You're a tax-paying citizen. You have a library card or anything. You live in that city. That's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to, as a librarian, you're supposed to take it down, dude, and have when the books come in, you go ahead. You're one of the first ones to read them. Now you can only hold them for a certain 2 or 3 weeks, and then you got to hand them back. You know the deal. But anyway, that, and like I said, every bookstore, just Mickey D, you can Amazon, do your thing. Your education is number one. Take care. God bless you. Love you. Take care of you and your family.